The Dragon Boat Festival is coming up this week, so there's a celebration and like examples of different traditional crafts and foods. So I'm excited to learn more about it and do some crafts. Let's go!
哎，这我不会，我想学。你们都会啊？
Is it sweet or spicy? Sweet. But we have this sauce, like
这啥呀你这？
这有打开的豆沙吗？
like
A cone.
I put too much in there.
Yes. Too much.
put some rice in
I
it.
don't know what I was doing. I put too
The
much.
rice is done. Okay, excellent. I'm like you. What's this?
I'm not sure.
I don't know.
Green, or red bean paste?
Yeah.
More.
Oh.
对我说包不上它。
Oh.
Oh, that's so beautiful. And do you eat this part or no? No. I didn't think so.
That's a good question.
I'm glad I asked though.
Yes.
It's gonna taste so good.
Mine's gonna taste so better. If I can.
And how?
Really, I won't eat it right away.
This is your goodie bag.
Yeah, this is
that
my
you get to
goodie
take home.
No, never. 我想知道他们这到时候会吃吗？是啊。What's it?
This one is
See what we're doing.
拿一个什么？它想要啥？
Ooh, that's a pretty pink one. Ooh, a blue? Sure, yeah, I'll do blue. Okay, our second activity is filling these little sachets. And we sewed it the wrong way the first time, so this time I'm very determined to make this look pretty and put it together. But we have to do it the right way. The hardest thing ever was just threading the needle because this little craft needle was just so tiny I couldn't even get it. Hello. On the board, I'm impressed. Woo! So at the Dragon Boat Festival celebration that I went to this year, I learned how to make zongzi. But this one was given to me by a friend for me to try. So I'm excited to give it a go. Smells sweet. The ones that we were making had like two different fillings. One was a date filling and one was a red bean paste. So I wonder what one this one is. It might be like a little bit frozen actually because of the fridge. I was trying to ask the lady that was helping me like, what leaf is this? Like, I was like, is it just a leaf from a tree? And she was like, yeah. I was like, I don't know. So cool. It has been like record-breaking temperatures this week. The high in Beijing for June is like a record high. I feel like this is just like, usually July is the hottest month, but right now this is the hottest. So basically for July, my plan is to just be an indoor cat all month. I don't really like the extreme heat. I like it to be warm, but not this warm. So I'm looking for kind of like indoor activities or like indoor things that I can go and do. So if you have any recommendations for things that I should do in July, maybe August, let me know. We're going to the movie theater this afternoon to see the new Pixar movie, Elementals. And the great thing about the theater that's here at City Walk is that right next to it, there's the Red Brick Oven Pizza restaurant. And you can take your pizza, your beer, your wine, and then right across on the other side is a ice cream place. So you can take any and all of it into the theater with you to see your movie, which is so nice. We could only get tickets for the 3D movie. I guess it's only in 3D. I usually don't do 3D movies because they make me feel a little bit motion sick, but I'm sure this one will be fine. And I'm very excited, so let's go!
Keep all limbs and branches inside.
I thought that the wedding photo updates were done, and I was even gonna come back to review the edited 35 on my own, because just whenever I was off work, but luckily Alex and I planned to come today to review them, and it's not at the downtown office like I thought. It's back at the original studio where we got them taken. So I was like, oh, like, is this gonna be super cool? I don't know. But we're getting the final digital copies today, and that's exciting. So we're back again. Let's go up. I'm really excited to see these pictures. I have been very excited all week to see them. I hope that our facial shape and eye shape stays the same. That's what I'm honestly most worried about the edits. Ooh, so cool. We got to choose the frame that we wanted for the big photo that's going on the wall. We chose this frame, the gray. I was quite particular about the cropping of the big photo because it's massive, it's on the wall. You want it to be symmetrical. That took us a while. It took us a while to get there, but we got there in the end. We did it! We chose all our pictures. We have them all, so I'm gonna go home and look at them. Goodbye, enjoy your haircut. Cute. Alex's cute little barber shop. Very adorable barber shop. Alex is getting a haircut. We took a taxi because we had trouble getting a DD to come all the way to Sanlitun, where we always end up. I was reminded why I don't like taking taxis. I felt so sick that whole drive. It feels like we're in like a go-kart because it's like going stop, start, stop, start as we're moving along. And I felt very sick. I was like just trying to breathe like the whole time. I was like, I don't know, just something about it makes me super, super car sick. So now we're here. I'm just gonna have a little walk around. There's like a place upstairs that did like juices and stuff, so I might go get like a juice or something. But I wanna have a look around and maybe have a look at some dresses, and yeah. Oh, I know this store. They have another location as well. You look beautiful. Excellent, excellent. Enjoy.
This is actually my beer, but Lauren's sitting on the side of the table with the good lighting, so.
I can give you the review. We've come to Slowboat, which is a staple here in Beijing. Oh, the fries are just right.
谢谢。
We've both ordered the fries and burgers, and they have special beers on tap. So this beer is something to do with pickles and cucumbers. And it's very nice and refreshing. I wish I didn't know that the word pickle was involved. It is very nice though. The cucumber is very nice. Let's try a fry. These look lovely.
Very nice.
Alright. Can we see an update on your haircut? It looks beautiful. You look so beautiful. Right, I think that's the end of this week's vlog, but I will see you again next week. Bye!